Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this turquoisey tealy smoky kind of eye. It's not really smoky, but it's just kind of glamified. I'm going to show you step by step how I created this look. Also I'm going to go through the products. Please keep watching. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bit more of my translucent powder by Collection. This is the shade 02, and I'm going to take a small sponge from Real Techniques and I'm going to put a bit more powder under my eyes because I didn't realise how much fallout there was. So I'm just going to dab a bit more on, especially in the side of my nose, because there was a lot of fallout with the teal colour that I used, and obviously this is going to protect my face kind of against it. So I'm just going to leave that like that. Sorry, I just wanted to dab that on there. Next, what I'm going to do, all my brushes that I'm using today are my Real Techniques, and the 3 brushes that I did use today was the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, which looks like that. The second brush that I used was Base Shadow Brush. I'll tell you whichever one I pick up anyway. And then the third one that I used was the Deluxe Creaser Brush, which looks like that. For this eye look, I didn't use any other eyeshadows apart from the Morphe 15N palette, which looks like this, as you all are aware. Yes, I use this in pretty much every look that I've created so far. And the glittery shimmer, it's none other than Barry M, and this is the colour 98. It's a Barry M Dazzle Dust, and it's a beautiful tealy colour. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to get straight into this tutorial. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush and I'm going to dip in to the colour Vava Voom, which is like a reddy kind of colour, dark reddy browny colour. I'm just going to get straight into it. First of all, actually, I'm going to take my blush brush from Real Techniques and wipe away the powder that I had on there, because I didn't realise I still had it on. So I'm going to dip into that brush and I'm going to place it straight into my crease. And I'm going to follow it all the way through, so I'm going to make a bit of a curve. And then obviously connect it from the other end. You now have a bit of dry skin there, and can you see, guys, the way the eyeshadow sits on that? I just find it so annoying. Still, but anyway, yeah, let's carry on. And then I'm going to drag a bit under my eye too, just a tiny bit, because obviously I'm going to add more to it later. Now taking my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Shook, which is a kind of a burnt orange coppery colour, kind of a bit of a peach, and I'm going to place that on top as if to say I'm blending, but we're not actually blending yet, we're just placing that on above the other eyeshadow. And I'm going to take my Deluxe Crease Brush by Real Techniques and I'm going to blend all of that out. I'm just going to put a bit more of that Shook colour on top, so it kind of stays a bit orangey. Okay, next step, guys, I'm going to take the colour Unique, which is this gold colour here, and I'm going to just use my little finger and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye, just so we have a bit of a brightened kind of look. Now to put this dazzle dust on, you can put it on by itself, but the payoff is not as good as using another product like glue, or you know, some people use eye drops or whatever. But yeah, so the one that I'm going to use is eyelid glue, and I'm going to place it on my, let me open this by the way, because I don't want to spend 10 years opening. Oh, that nearly fell. Jeez. So I'm going to place it on the top of my eyelid, just like that. And then I'm going to blend it with my finger, and straight away I'm going to pick up the colour and place it on top. I'm going to blend it because I don't really use any brushes for glues and like stuff like that. Now I'm going to pick up the colour using that same finger and just dab it on. I'm going to tilt my head a bit forward. Just like that. Not bad, you know guys, I didn't have any fallout, just a bit on my nose. And then I'm going to take the first brush that I used, which was the base shadow brush. I'm going to just blend that top bit. Just like that. So as you can see, they both look alike. And guys, if you have any glue on your hand, like I said before, just do that and it just goes. Ta-da. Ta-da. Sometimes guys, I'm a bit nervous when making videos, so I pronounce names quite wrong of the items, so please do bear with me. I'm cutting this in slack. Now I'm taking my Essential crease brush and I'm picking up a bit more of that Valerian colour, and I'm going to drag it underneath my eyes. Just like that. Next guys is the most nerve-wracking bit ever. I think you all know what that bit is. The bit that Sabrina is most afraid of, and it's eyeliner. I'm using Turquoise Glam eyes. This is the colour 001 Black Glamour. I'm going to pick up the palette mirror because it's a lot bigger, so it'll be easier for me. I like small mirrors, but not when I'm filming a look, because they're just kind of like small and flimsy, and I need something big, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to start from the middle. And just drag that like that. The thing is with this eyeliner, because it's matte, it dries, and because I've done a dark eye, I'm kind of looking at it to say, wait, have I even gone over it, like done that bit? Oh, that one is a bit too long, you know. Damn, girl. I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't have any tissue around me, and I'm not in a place that I can go and get some, so I'm just going to rub it off my jumper. Tricks guys, the tricks. Just pick up my beauty blender. Oops. And just drop the plastic to this palette. Yeah, tell me something new, yeah guys. So I'm going to let that dry quickly. The lashes that I'm using, guys, are Ardell Wispies, and these are actually becoming my favourite. Do you remember, I think I did a video not long back where I was like, I'm not too keen on them, etc. I actually quite like them. These are the Wispies, black Wispies, and I'm using the oil glue. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, I've used these now 4 times and I've cleaned them and put them back, and honestly guys, they're as good as new. Like literally, I have nothing bad to say. Do you remember when I was like, oh, they're kind of hard to put on and etc. But actually, if you think about it, and if you use them more than once, it's actually easier to use when the lash band is thin, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry for a bit, guys, because it's so much easier to put on with tacky glue. Guys, by the way, I bought this Bourjois highlighter and I don't know how I feel about it. Like, it's cute packaging and that, but the product inside, like, I just don't know how I feel about it. Like, it's not actually as highlighty as I would like it to be. I feel like it's better than eyeshadow, but what do I know, hey? That's like the 4th thing I dropped so far. But yeah, wish me luck, guys. Here we are, guys. Last step, I'm going to take my Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express mascara, and I'm just going to put some on the bottom. I don't usually like putting it on on top of my falsies because I just feel like it looks obvious that you're wearing falsies, and these ain't that exaggerated kind of, so I like them just blending it in like that. I'm just going to take a bit of my Rimmel Clear Complexion and place that under my eyes just to brighten them up a bit. This is my finished look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please do share so other people get to see, and do leave your thoughts and interests in other videos and on this video, and I will obviously comment back to you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.